So to get started with Orderflow, you're going to need a software that actually shows you the order flow. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to get for free as well. You don't need to pay. You can pay. There's methods which allow you to pay and get, everything for free anyway. But if you don't want to spend any money, then yeah. I have a couple. I've got a link in my bio that leads to my Discord. And what you want to do is you want to come to softwares, and there should be a file in Cracks called Motorwave. You want to click on that, and it should take you here. This is there's a full guide on how to start it, but I'm just gonna make a video on it because a lot of people find it more complicated than it is. So what you want to do is you want to fully delete Motorwave already if you have it. I've already done that because I need to make this video. And you want to download this, and this, and just wait for them to download. Next step is to open the Motorwave setup and just go through and download everything. Just wait for that to download and launch. Finish. So now you have the normal Motorwave app, just exit out of that. And the next step is to go to Program Files 86 Motorwave. Where is it? There it is. And you want to drag and drop the motorwave.exe, which is this one. You want to drag and drop from wherever you downloaded it into this file and replace destination. Continue. And then you want to go to lib, right? You want to go to motorwave and then the lib, and you want to download the .jar file and drag and drop it and replace destination. And that's it for Motorwave, right? That's everything that you need. If you have a data provider, then you can use that. Also, it says this. That's because it's replacing the motorwave.jar, but it isn't actually malicious or whatever. So just click run anyway, and that message will only pop up once. You can have your antivirus or whatever running in the background. So yeah, now I'm going to teach you how to set up a workspace. So there's a couple ways to get a data feed, and you can either use FreeQuant here, Rhythmic, demo, CQG demo. There's a bunch of different ways, but the best way that I found is to use Rhythmic for this because I don't know, it works best. But I'd suggest using this first. You can use this, and it will give you a Quantower account, free Quantower demo. Yeah. So anyway, if you've already done this before, like a little mistake that I had is clear the cookies on the site because obviously it's saved my information here, and then just restart, and now it should be gone. And then come to Quantower. There should be like a little link here which goes to this temp mail place, and you just want to create a temp mail, random ask temp mail, and then just copy that, and then you can exit out that, and then go to Rhythmic, create a fake name, Zemi, full buck, and then you want to request a demo, and you should get like some capture thing. This is important. If you've done this before, this is important. You want to do this. Otherwise, if it doesn't say this, then it won't give you a say demo allowance exceeded. So this is important for people retrying. Okay, so the next step is quite self-explanatory. I'm not going to do this because I already have an account, but you want to just create a fake name, put the email that you chose there, create a fake whatever password, and then just go to like random Russian addresses. This is what I did. Go here and just use one of these, right? Just copy this and just paste. You get the point. Just paste it in here, right? All of this, and then for the zip code, don't worry about it. It needs to have like that many letters or something, and then sign up for free, 30-day, and then you gotta accept, and you'll get an email that tells you to go confirm the 30-day free trial. You click onto that, you get sent back to Rhythmic, and then you should be good. That should be it. So this bit's very self-explanatory. Don't worry about this. But Motorwave, to actually set up, basically what you want to do is go options, workspace, new workspace, name it whatever you want to do, and go to Motorwave Cloud. It's got to be on the cloud, unless you're like obviously paying for something on your computer, but just go to cloud, and then add connection. And this is your service. So if you're using CQG, click that. If you're using Rhythmic, click that. Because we are using in the video Rhythmic, click Rhythmic, and then your username for your Rhythmic will be the same one that you use for your email, right? Obviously, same one as the email. And then when you click test connection, click this should be Rhythmic paper. Should be Rhythmic paper trading, just like this. Obviously, your password is the same password that you used for whatever you used to log in. But that bit's important. And then that should be it. You just click continue. You have your workspace. Click your workspace. Continue. And there you go. So to set up all your temps and stuff, you wanna go to my server, any any Orderflow server, go to temps, go to Motorwave, and just pick whatever you find nice, download it, right, and then just save it somewhere where you can remember it. So was it Claude Basic here? Then right click, templates, manage all templates. So you click this button, and which one was it? Claude Basic. And then just apply and OK. And then next time you go here, delete existing, just like that. Now I have the Claude Basic template. So, and you just do this for all of them. Just create a new box, chart, DOM, whatever, and just right click template and then add whatever template you want. And that's it. That's it. That's how you get free data, and that's how you get started.